Hello and welcome to Trango Tutorials. In this video, I will explain how to apply for the WhatsApp Business API. Submitting an application for the WhatsApp Business API can be done via your Trango dashboard, and it only takes around 10 minutes to receive the first few WhatsApp messages. Before starting, you have to be sure you're in the skill plan and ready to start the application. Let's begin. Go via Settings to WhatsApp for Business and select Connect your number. The application requires 3 steps. 1. Connect to a partner. 2. Setting up in Trango. And 3. Get started. Before we start the application process, you will receive a notification about the limitations of the WhatsApp Business API. Make sure you read this before you continue. For any questions, you can directly reach out to our support team. Before you connect your number to the WhatsApp for Business API, please make sure you are not currently using this number on a WhatsApp app account. If you do, you will have to disconnect the number from the WhatsApp app. Let's connect your account. Clicking on Connect Your Account will bring you to our Business Partner 360 dialog, where you can log in or create an account. Fill in the required information and accept the terms and conditions. 360 dialog will ask you to log in to your Facebook business account and create a WhatsApp business account. From here you can start selecting or creating the required business accounts. Make sure the submitted WhatsApp business display name corresponds with your brand. After this, you have to verify your phone number. Please make sure you use a number that is not yet connected to an existing WhatsApp app account. When you have finished setting up the account, you will end up in the dashboard from our WhatsApp Business Partner 360 dialog. Set up your WhatsApp business account and start your business verification from Facebook as soon as possible. This way, you make sure your application will be approved by WhatsApp faster. The only thing left to do is generate the API key and submit it to Trango. You can do this within the settings of your WhatsApp channel. While your application is waiting to get verified, you can already receive the first few messages. This is called the Unverified trial experience. It allows you to already receive up to 10 WhatsApp messages per day via the API, even when your business is still in a verification process. As soon as your business is verified, this goes up to 1500 messages per day. Whenever WhatsApp fully approves your request, these limitations will be gone, and you are ready to use the API to its fullest. Good luck!